Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 29. Our learning goal for today says, I can draw pictures with 5 groups to add to 9. Oh good, I love 5 groups. They keep you so organized. Let's get straight to work. Okay, so here's our story. I put 7 carrots on a plate, and then I put 2 potatoes on the plate. How many veggies were there in all? Okay, so as I make my picture today, I'm going to really work hard on those 5 groups. Remember, 5 groups have 5 objects in them. That's why they're called 5 groups. So let's see. It says I put 7 carrots on a plate. So watch me draw my 7 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's my 5 group. So I'm going to go ahead and slide to the next row. To stay super organized. 5, 6, 7. Perfect. All right, how many potatoes did I put on my plate? Good, 2. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to keep filling in that next row with the 2 more potatoes. 1, 2. Oh, good. I didn't make another 5 group in the bottom, but that's okay. I kept it organized. If I wanted to tell you about the veggies on my plate, I could say I had 7 carrots, and then I added 2 potatoes, and now in all I have 9 vegetables. Hey, keeping organized in a 5 group was really helpful actually, because I could clearly see all the different parts. 5 groups are so helpful. Let's try another one. Because the thing is, you're not always going to have objects in front of you. So it's really good to start practicing drawing those good pictures. Watch me. Let me show you how I draw a picture to show different parts, okay? All right, so it says 9 cats were in the living room. That's a lot of cats. 4 cats were sleeping, 5 cats were playing. Okay, so I know that there are 9 cats in the living room and 4 of them were sleeping and then 5 were playing. I need to draw that by modeling it with a 5 group. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw the different parts. All right, so it says 4 cats were sleeping. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 4 circles because that's a nice quick way to draw when we're doing math. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now watch what I do when I add in the 5 cats that are playing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what do you notice about the differences between my circles? Yeah, thank you. The first part, to show the cats that are sleeping, I colored in, right? And then the part to show the cats that were playing, I just left empty. I didn't color in the middle. Why do you think I did that, friends? Yes, exactly. I did that to show the different parts of 9. Oh, that was very helpful. You know why? Because I'm always thinking about how the parts work together to make the whole amount. And showing that in your picture will really help your good brain. Now, if you forget to do that and you just do the 4 cats with the 4 circles and then the 5 cats with 5 more circles and all the circles are the same, that's okay too, friends. I just like to do this because it's really helpful for me because you know what? When we fill in our number bond, I really need to know those parts. I knew that there were 9 cats altogether, but when I look quick at my picture, I can see, oh yeah, there were 2 different parts. There were 4 that were sleeping. And then there I can see it, 5 that were playing. See how drawing the 5 groups and the parts in different ways really keeps you organized, but also then shows you the parts very clearly. I'm going to do that with another problem just to show you one more time. 1 frog jumped on the lily pad. 8 frogs jumped in the water. How many frogs were there in all? Okay, who has a suggestion? What should I use? What should I start doing? What should I start drawing first? Oh, good idea. 1 frog jumped on the lily pad. I'm going to draw a circle to show that 1 frog. All right, then how many frogs jumped in the water, friends? 8. Oh, good. That's a lot to draw. Should I draw the rest of the 8 here to finish out that 5 group first, or should I just draw them underneath? Oh, I can't trick you. Yeah, let's finish out that 5 group. So I had 1, but I have 8 more frogs. So let's go ahead and draw circles and count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. What do you notice about my drawing now? Again, those 5 groups help keep me organized and I can clearly see how many I have. I colored in one to show the frog that jumped on the lily pad, and I didn't color in the other 8 that I added, just to show that it was a little bit of a difference. If you really want to stretch yourself in your pictures, try to do that. Try to show a difference in your drawings. Only by using those circles, though, because we don't want to waste our time. Okay, so if I was going to fill in a number bond, what would I do for the different parts? Great. One of the parts would be the one frog that jumped on the lily pad. What's the other part then, friends? Perfect. The 8 that jumped in the water. If I have 8 and I add one more, how many frogs were there in all? Ding, ding, ding. There were 9. Hey, excellent job, friends. You did a really good job drawing pictures with 5 groups to add to 9. And that's great because that's our learning goal. Awesome. I can't wait to see you try it. So now this is what I'd like you to do. I'm going to read this story, and I would like you to go ahead and draw a picture using 5 groups. All right? If you like, you can, for a bonus to push yourself, fill in a number bond too. All right, you ready? I'm going to read it twice for you. Here we go. There were 9 flowers in the vase. There were 6 red flowers and 3 white flowers. Okay, friends, we're going to draw a 5-group picture to show that. All right, one more time. There were 9 flowers in the vase. There were 6 red flowers and 3 white flowers. All right, have fun drawing those good 5-group pictures, friends.